Intuit TurboTax will help you pick the best filing status for your situation based on your answers in the personal information section. There are 5 filing statuses: single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, and qualifying surviving spouse. Your filing status determines your tax rate, the deductions that you're eligible to claim, and is based on your situation as of December 31st. Your filing status will change if you got married or divorced, or if your spouse died. The standard deduction is also based on filing status, with the highest amount attached to married filing jointly. On line 12 of your 1040, you will see your amount based on your filing status. You can choose married filing joint or married filing separate each year, but married filing joint is usually better. Married filing separate is a penalty status of sorts. Some common credits that cannot be used by married filing separate taxpayers include the following: the education credit, credit for the elderly or disabled, child and dependent care in some cases, earned income tax credit in most cases, and student loan interest deduction. You may want to review your situation to see if you are filing using the best filing status. Here are some tips to help you decide your best filing status. Create an account for each spouse and one for married filing joint. You can enter a return for each spouse and then a joint return to look at the results. For TurboTax Desktop, you can first put in a return, then switch to Forms mode. Go to Open Form and type in What If, and you'll select the What If worksheet. You open the form and select the married filing joint versus married filing separate checkbox. This will show you the comparison. At that point, you can put in a separate return for each spouse for the exact differences.
For more answers to your questions, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.